This is the all-in-one OB reader. Now, it looks like there's scratches on it, but that's not. You can go ahead and peel off this protective layer. So if you go ahead and pull it off, there's just a layer underneath. Some people just keep this on as a screen protector, but it doesn't actually have those scratches on. You just peel it off and then it's like no. So what you want to do is you want to find your OB port. It's going to look like something like this. So for our Jeep Wrangler, it's right here. Yours is going to be somewhere around the driver's side, and it's going to look like this. You go ahead and plug your cable in that they provide you with. Certain features of this will require you to have your vehicle running, but for the most part, you just need to put your key in the ignition and turn it to the on position. So on position is just where it's on, it has power, but you're not running the vehicle, or you can turn your vehicle on and run it if you want. Up top here is going to be the power button. Go ahead and press and hold that, and you'll see come on the screen. So right away when you load it up, this is what you'll see. And now one thing I have to say for this brand right away is they do not require you to have Wi-Fi to use this. If you want special features, upgrades, and all that stuff, and you want things, more features, you can use Wi-Fi and connect it to the internet. But if you don't have Wi-Fi or you don't want to, you do not have to use Wi-Fi. So we're going to start off here. You can do the VIN. You got diagnose, you got your OBD, history, you got report, you have feedback, you then over here have maintenance. So we tap maintenance. Under maintenance, you can go coverage list. Now, every vehicle is going to be different, so not all these features are going to work for every single vehicle that you have. But you got ABS, you got AdBlue, you got SRS, you got BMS, you got EPB, you have DPF, EGR, ETS, GL, got gearbox, and you can swipe like this too. So you can either tap up here or you can swipe over like this. So gearbox, IMMO, let's see, injectors, oil, SAS, your tire sensors. You can also view it by this mode. We can also tap over here and we can see everything down through here. Maintenance list, vehicle software, maintenance software, settings, manual, OB fault code, library, coverage list, gadget, remote assistance, online services, and so much more. We're going to go ahead and do auto search. I'm going to block this out because it's going to show some info that you guys shouldn't see. Okay, so it came up our Jeep. And now we have all these settings that we can do with our Jeep. So we can do automatically search, manually search, help, 6-pin connector, and set options. We're going to do automatically search. Okay, it's going to go through and show us our information. All right, now that it came up, now we can do a system scan, system selection, and health report. Let's go ahead and take a look at the health report. Okay, now we can take a look at our vehicle, and it's going to tell us if there's any major issues and go through there. We can tap each one, so we can clear codes. Now I'm doing a whole system scan, and it's going to scan my entire Jeep system. Now it's showing us what we have equipped on our Jeep. And that's just one of very many things you can do. Okay, so now there's all these other things that we can do as well. Tap this. Tap this. Now we can go through, and it's going to show us everything. Again, we could be here for probably a couple hours just going over every feature. What I can say about this is it's amazing. The fact that you don't need Wi-Fi to use it, but yet you could use Wi-Fi to upgrade it. The fact that it has so many settings that you can do. You can clear codes. You can do health reports on your vehicles. There's just so many things you can do. It gets an A+ from me. I love it. We're going to be using this with our Jeep, and I think you guys are going to love it too.